Okay, language explorers, let's look at this week's Tuesday verb. So arrive, arrive. To be at a certain place and time on purpose. Arrive. Like the plane here is arriving. That plane is arriving. I'm arriving. Arriving in Mexico. Whoops. Yeah. I arrive in Cancun. How cool is that? So I arrived at the party. She arrived at the party with me. He arrived late. He was late. He arrived late. She arrived with, well, she arrived with her. She arrived with her. How cool is that? He arrives with his wife. It suddenly arrived. I did not expect it to arrive so early. So soon. So soon. So soon. But here it is. Here it is. It arrived on time. Yeah. So that means then I arrive. You arrive. They arrive. Very good. She arrives. He arrives. It arrives. How cool is that? So I arrive by plane. I arrive by plane. Yeah. Very good. You arrive by train. They arrive by car. They arrive by car. You arrive by train. I arrive by plane. How cool is that? So she arrives. She arrives early. She arrives by foot. She walked. He arrives suddenly. Yeah. He arrives by car or by taxi. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? So it arrives in a box. It will arrive in a box. It arrives with a smile. The smile. Here you are. Thank you. How cool is that? She always arrived late. She always arrived late. Nothing new. Nothing new. I'm arriving just now. I'm arriving just now, yeah. I'm arriving now at the apartment. Yes. I'm arriving now in Glasgow. How cool is that? I think I'll be arriving at 11 p.m. They think they'll be arriving at midday. Yeah, it depends. Oops. It depends on things. It depends on things, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So yeah, arrive. To be in a certain place on time on purpose. Yes. So, can you use arrive in a sentence, language explorers? And comment below with your sentence. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can follow me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. English with Adrian. Yeah, very good. Very good. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just look for Adrian Nanchev, yeah. Yeah. Whoops, Nanchev, yeah. How cool is that? Let's change that. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Let's keep exploring.